guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to quickly show you how to send a voice note on TikTok. It's actually very easy, so let's get started. First step to take guys is of course open your TikTok app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do guys is to click on the message icon at the bottom area of your screen. So once you click on that, go ahead and look for the person who you want to message. All right, so if you can't find the person from here, you can as well click on your profile at the bottom right corner, and then either select your following or your followers option from your profile, and just click on any of these user that you want to message. For example, let's say I want to send a voice note to this person. So from this person's profile, I'll be able to see this message option right here. So I'll click on that, and then if I want to send a voice note to this person, it's very easy. I'll just have to click on this record icon right here, and then I will just click and hold on it. So once I click and hold on it, I can start recording. Once the recording is complete, I just have to release my hand and it will be sent to this person. So that's it guys. This is how you can actually send a voice note to someone on TikTok. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.